Hello everybody, in today's video I wanted to show you this stud finder. This is from Zircon. This is SuperScan M4. This is more of an advanced scanner. It scans not only the wood studs but also metal studs. It has a deep functionality where it scans kind of deep into the wall. It can identify whether there's metal behind, so that's very convenient if you're looking for, let's say, copper pipes that have water in them. AC and wire, plumbing, so it's pretty advanced. And we're gonna open it up. One thing to note, it does require you to install 9-volt batteries. They don't come automatically with the tool, so we got Duracell batteries here. So make sure you get this. So we're gonna set this up and see how it works. All right, so we put the battery. There are different modes here. The first one is actively scanning for wood studs. It has target control mode where it basically cancels out anything that's not wood. So if it finds metal, it cancels it out and it basically highlights just the wood ones. The second switch here, this one is the DeepScan. So it scans pretty deep inside the wall. So if you have really kind of thick walls or you're scanning deep into it, you use this mode. Next mode is the metal. It actively scans for metals. And then the last mode here is anything that has electrical. By default, you want to be in the first mode. It's a target control mode. It will highlight if you have a metal, if you have live electrical wires on the wall while you're scanning. But it primarily chooses to show you wood. But of course, the icon will light up if there's metal. So let's try it out. Let's try to find a stud here. The first thing you're gonna do is attach it, to the wall, or hold it close to the wall. Press the power button, and you want to wait until it calibrates. So you're just holding the power button all the time. If you let go like this, it turns off a second or two after. So you need to constantly hold the power button, and we want to wait for a beep sound. It means that it finished calibrating. Just like that. So it finished calibrating. Now we're basically, I turned it off, sorry. Start again. So it beeped, and now we can start moving, and it's scanning. Okay, we move slowly. See the metal highlighted? So the metal icon, there's something metallic in the wall. We keep going. Until we find a stud. Again, something metallic or something there. Oh, this signal here means there's something in the wall, but it's not close enough to the drywall. So it's canceling it out because it knows it's not wood, but there's something there. Okay, we keep going. Oh, and now it tells us that it found the edge of the stud. So it's the kind of the left edge here. As we keep going, now it found the center. So the little arrow highlights that it's the center of the stud. So we can safely mark it here. There's a little area where you can kind of put a pencil and mark the spot. And then as we keep moving, it disappears. And then that's the other side of the edge. So again, if we move left, again, found the center. We keep moving away. It found the edge. So that's pretty cool that it finds the center and it's safe for you to drill here. Again, what you want to do is, if you found a stud here, you want to test it in different heights. So you want to double check at a lowered Okay. Looks like it's here as well. If we go down, okay, here as well. So you just want to go through basically the whole wall. I think there's an outlet, there should be a stud here too. Maybe we missed it. Yep, there's a stud here. This outlet is basically attached to this wood stud. It goes all the way to the top. Let's try to scan around the outlet. Maybe we can find electrical wires. Okay, yeah, so it highlights it in, it flashes basically in red, letting you know that there is live electrical wires right behind here. And they probably go from this outlet, maybe to the basement, maybe they go to the kitchen. So if we scan, let's say, somewhere here, yeah, so there's wires, definitely electrical wires going behind somewhere here. So it's not really safe to drill in this area. That's pretty much it. The main idea is, of course, it's targeted for the wood, but you want to make sure if you're scanning and you're looking for studs, do it across different levels, not just in one area, but just to double check that it is indeed the stud and not something else. If you have any questions, let me know. But thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Bye bye.